Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and start our video. For the matter, first go ahead, access your Play Store first and type Instagram search bar and simply search your Instagram app and see if it's updated or not, because all of the new functions are the part of the updates that every app does. So you'll have to make sure you update your app so you can also access all of the services, right? Afterwards, you're gonna go back and access your Instagram in your mobile phone, the updated version, and then you're gonna go ahead, tap on this plus icon that is given below, and now you're gonna go ahead, choose yourself a picture, right? And this icon here in this section, you're gonna go ahead, you can choose multiple picture for yourself, and then you can simply tap on that next, tap on the next. And then here in this section you can see we do have two options of music on top as well. We can tap on this next again and we can find our post, and here in this section you can see this add music option. So once you have updated your app, even if you choose multiple pictures, you will have this add music option where you're going to go ahead, choose a particular music according to your liking. Once you have choose that particular music, then you will be able to tap on the share and share your post with multiple posts. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.